I've been teaching water classes for 30 plus years, and I've become really good and versatile with using lots of cool pieces of equipment like dumbbells, noodles, kickboards and other drag forms of equipment. The one thing though that's missing with utilising those sorts of equipment is the fact it doesn't really replicate movement on land, because you push all this stuff down, you drag it through the water. On land, we have to deal with gravity, and that's the thing that I love about Gymstick H2O. It actually replicates a gym-based training, but in the pool. You really do bicep curls, you really do upright rows, which translates really well to land because we work in and live in an environment that's using gravity. So if you're really interested in finding out a little bit more about this very simple and effective piece of equipment that doesn't take up a lot of space in your pool storage area and is not expensive, join me for the Gymstick H2O training.